Animals and wild animals. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English words about animals and wild animals. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Animals, Part 2. Dog, dog, dog. A dog is friendly and loyal. I walk my dog every morning. What do I walk every morning? My dog. Cat, cat, cat. A cat is quiet and soft. She sleeps with her cat. Who sleeps with her? Her cat. Bird, bird, bird. A bird can fly in the sky. We hear a bird sing. What do we hear sing? A bird. Fish, fish, fish. A fish lives in water. He feeds the fish in the tank. Where is the fish? In the tank. Cow, cow, cow. A cow is big and calm. The cow eats grass. What does the cow eat? Grass. Horse, horse, horse. A horse is strong and fast. She rides a horse on the farm. What does she ride? A horse. Pig, pig, pig. A pig is round and pink. The pig sleeps in the mud. Where does the pig sleep? In the mud. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Sheep have soft wool. The sheep stay in the field. Where do the sheep stay? In the field. Duck, duck, duck. A duck can swim and walk. Ducks swim in the pond. Where do ducks swim? In the pond. Chicken, chicken, chicken. A chicken lays eggs. We collect eggs from the chicken. What do we collect? Eggs. Wild animals, zoo. Zoo, zoo. A zoo is a place for animals. We visit the zoo on Sunday. Where do we visit on Sunday? The zoo. Cage, cage, cage. A cage keeps animals inside. The bird is in a cage. Where is the bird? In a cage. Nest, nest, nest. A nest is a home for birds. The bird builds a nest. What does the bird build? A nest. Hole, hole, hole. A hole is an opening in the ground. The rabbit hides in a hole. Where does the rabbit hide? In a hole. Field, field, field. Field is open land. Cows run in the field. Where do cows run? In the field. Farm, farm, or farm. A farm is where animals live. They work on a farm. Where do they work? On a farm. Pet, pet's pet. A pet lives with people. My dog is my pet. What is my dog? My pet. Wild, wild, wild. Wild means not tame. Lions are wild animals. What kind of animals are lions? Wild animals. Domestic, domestic, domestic. Domestic animals live with people. Cats are domestic animals. What kind of animals are cats? Domestic animals. Predator, predator, predator. A predator hunts other animals. The lion is a predator. What is the lion? A predator. Excellent job. You learned 20 common English words about animals and wild animals. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.